Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, and let's go to Candy Mountain together. Today we have ITC Appreciation. ITC Appreciation Days, 7 days of super deals, exclusively for ITC. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing and commenting. It helps the algorithm, hyping, becoming a channel member. Super helpful. There's a couple super HARBROs out there. And let's just go ahead and jump in. ITC Appreciation Days, 7 days of super deals. Harbor Freight did this last year, and there was some deep discounts on some really good items. This is going on June 19th to June 25th, so starting this Friday, overlapping with our storage days, the 25% off all US General magnetic accessories for ITC and 20% off all Yukon US General carts and roller cabinets ITC. Except this is going on, the 7 days of super deals going on for a week. And then, of course, your free hats, some of the HARBROs that got in your free $15 minimum hat. But let's go ahead and look over. We're going to start off with the main flyer. These are 4 examples with the discounts. Now, the rest of the items as we go through them, we don't have the discounts. But last year, when Harbor Freight did this, everything was approximately 30 to 50% off. So 30 to 50% off is what we will expect, but we do have it for these 4. And then just side note, everything is subject to change. Harbor Freight has changed deals before. They have changed items on lists. Will they do that in the next couple days? I don't know, but just everything is subject to change. But most of the time, these are relatively accurate. So let's go ahead and jump in. 7 days super deals, June 19th to the 25th. Starting with Viking, 2000 PCAMP lithium ion jump starter and power bank, $50 off. Normally $140, down to $90, 36% off. Viking has been discounted deeper before. I want to say it's been minimum 40% off. HARBROs, correct me if I'm wrong. I want to say, did it creep up? Was it 45 to 50% off? I want to say it was a super deep discount, and I just assumed nobody's buying Viking. And from the videos, nobody was too excited. 36% off though, solid deal. Will we ever get back to the unicorn days? Unlikely. Next, PITTSBURGH 2-ton low-profile aluminum racing floor jack with rapid pump, $80 off. Normally $200, down to $120, so 40% off. 40% off, super solid. If you're looking for a nice lightweight jack that can practically jack up anything, this is the one. Lug it around easily. 2 tons is going to get most of your jobs done. Then we have Icon Alert 2100 Lumen LED rechargeable magnetic compact floodlight, down to $30. Normally $55, 45% off. Little magnet to show that it is magnetic. And from what I heard, for the most part, people are fans of these. They're small magnetic Icon like puck lights, but at 45% off makes them definitely a lot more enticing of a deal. And then, of course, Icon again. This is 50% off. Lifetime guarantee, 50% off. Icon 25-piece multi-spline screw extractor set, $35. Normally $70, normally $69.99. Correction, that's nice. Down to $35. And a lifetime guarantee, that's a tough deal to pass up if you don't have an extractor set. I mean, I've seen a couple people say that they've broken them, and a lot of extractor sets, I think they break as you're using them. But with a lifetime guarantee, you're just going to go in and replace it for free. There's Harbor Freights everywhere. So those are the ones we have potential deals on. Already deep discounts, but let's go through it. So we already did the 2-ton low-profile aluminum racing floor jack. We did the Viking, 2000 PCAMP lithium jump starter and power bank, the Icon puck light, and the 25-piece multi-spline screw extractor set. And now we'll get to the other items. Again, no discount. Again, the rest we won't have the discount, but we can definitely look it up. Starting with, we have a list here, 300-pound capacity low-profile creeper in gray, green, blue, black, and gray again. So we'll just double-check those SKUs, but we'll start off with the first one. 300-pound low-profile creeper gray, 63371. And we have the PITTSBURGH online exclusive. That is interesting. Have I not seen this before? We have the PITTSBURGH 300-pound capacity low profile creeper in gray, also in creeper green, $40. Oversized automotive creeper supports up to 300 pounds and decent reviews. Pleasantly surprised. Looks good, just not a 300-pound capacity. Okay, so try at your risk. Good creeper, but some people are saying that the wheels are not that good a quality. We have 63371 in gray, 57310 in creeper green, 57311 in villager blue, and 57312 in Enderman black. Don't know the discount, but roughly, if we're getting at least 30% off of this, save an extra $12, most likely minimum, get it down to sub 30 bucks, get it down to about $25 to $27 for a creeper to take a shot on. Feels like a decent try if you don't have a creeper, but I will look up, that's the gray, green, blue, black. I will look up this other one. It might be the same SKU, but 63372. And it does just show the same creeper. So listed under 2 different SKUs, but the same creeper gray. Again, likely going to be $25, $26, $27. So those are our first few items. Don't know the exact discount, but we have the PITTSBURGH 300-pound capacity low profile creeper in gray, green, blue, or black. And then we move on. We have the premium screwdriver set, 15-piece, 64549. And that's our Quinn premium screwdriver set, 15-piece, 28 bucks, durable, precise screwdriver set, has magnetic tips for added control. 28 bucks. We did have some screwdriver days recently, so I would expect a minimum of 35 to 40% off on these. That'll still get us about $10 to $15 off. So get these about 15 bucks is what the expected savings would be. So solid deal. Hopefully they can beat the parking lot sale deal that they had on these. So that's Quinn premium screwdriver set, 15-piece at $28, getting it down roughly to about 15 bucks, assuming the discount. And we keep going into the last few. We have the 8-foot by 10-foot silver and black extreme duty weather resistant 12 mil tarp for the tarp bros. I'm assuming they're listening because they know there's a few tarp bros out there. There's more than one of you. For the tarp bros, the extreme duty weather resistant 12 mil tarp, 15 bucks. It's already not a bad price. Get dual protection from extreme elements. Both sides block light, plus the silver side reflects heat. We can hope, we can dream that this will get close to 50% off. They've done 50% off tarps before. Why not do it now? So get this down to about $8.50, maybe $8, maybe $9. But for the tarp bros, heavy duty extreme 8-foot by 10-foot 12 mil tarp. We continue. We have the 3/8-inch drive, 5 to 100 foot-pound digital angle torque wrench, 64915. And that's the Quinn alert. Quinn 3/8-inch drive, 5 to 100 foot-pound digital angle torque wrench. Normally $170. With an easy-to-read LCD, this 3/8-inch digital torque wrench delivers precision and accuracy, $170. So this will be a big one. Maybe they'll do 30% off. Hopefully it's closer to 50. But if they do 30% off, that's about $50 off. Get it down closer to $100, assuming at least 30% off. If they do any higher, it could be a sub $100 discount, or close to $70 discount, sub $100 on a 3/8-inch drive, 5 to 100 foot-pound digital angle torque wrench. Solid get depending on how deep the discount is. We continue some more. 12-volt magnetic LED towing light kit. That's a little bit more straightforward. Without even looking it up, I'm pretty sure this is Kenway. We have the Kenway 12-volt magnetic LED towing light kit, $33. Hopkins, compared to Hopkins Towing Solutions, magnetic towing lights mount instantly and help you tow safely. Pretty straightforward. Give us 50% on this one. Get it down to $16. Hopefully, we'll see. Once we get these prices, we'll verify. We'll let you know. $33. Expect a deep discount on these. Then we have the metric ratcheting combination wrench set 7-piece, and these are likely going to be the SAE and metric options. So metric ratcheting combination wrench set 7-piece, and or the SAE ratcheting combination wrench set 7-piece, 9552. And they are our PITTSBURGH metric ratcheting combination wrench set 7-piece in metric, or 7-piece in SAE 96654 and 95552. So some decent deals. PITTSBURGH ratcheting wrenches. They're $30. Both 7 pieces work in tight areas with this ratcheting combination wrench set. I would expect these have, I think, already been on deep discount before. So these, I would imagine they should push close to the 15%. So getting these for about $15, lifetime warranty, your choice of SAE or metric, maybe pick up both sets. That would be a killer discount, but we got to wait. We got to wait and see. And those are the 7 days of super deals. We'll do everyone a solid if they wanted to screenshot this for whatever reason. those are the potential 7 days of super deals with some discounts likely confirmed. Of course, storage days coming up. But what do the HARBROs think? 7 days of super deals, literally a couple days away. Hopefully nothing changes. Always good to see some deep appreciation for ITC. I do have a video that answers the age-old question, is ITC worth it? And in that video, we answer it with, even if you just pick up the freebies on the days they're available, strictly to the wording of the coupons, it's worth it. It's about a $100 value worth of free items that you can pick up. Now, if you take more advantage, even better. And then, of course, if you're spending it on some high-ticket items, you're going to get some deep discounts. Anyways, I'll leave it at that, HARBROs. Let me know in the comments what you think. We'll keep an eye out. And as usual, happy harbor freighting, happy shopping. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.